So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. So it looks like she wants to get a bob. Stylist does add some face framing bangs. Oh, beautiful. I love the tousled wave. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for a brand new hairstyle to try out, be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have someone adding some color to their pixie. So she went from dark hair to this beautiful blonde. Love it. Such a cute vibe. And then we move on to the next hair transformation. So it looks like she's getting some color. A bit of a cut. Ooh. Beautiful shoulder length dimensional blonde. Very nice. Such a gorgeous hair change. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length red hair. looks like she got some ash blonde at the top there, moving into more of like a gray. Very pretty. And this is the perfect style for her gray hair as it grows out too. It should blend in really well. Next up, we have another color change. Bob with bangs with this red and pink combo. Love it. She's got like the checkered colored trend going here. And then we have another hair color transformation. It looks like she's in for a refresh. Ooh, very nice. She did get a slight haircut with this as well. Beautiful, bright blonde hair coloring. And then we have a haircut transformation. So she's going to get more of like the layered hair trend with this one. Very nice. Beautiful, subtle hair change. Beautifully done. And then we have someone with mid-length hair. And she gets a nice layered look with this hairstyle as well. Curtain bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. Perfect way to add some volume. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.